Introduction. Two lines mostly intersect at a point or do not intersect in a plane. In some situations, they coincide with each other. A curve may be a parabola, as you have seen in polynomials, or a simple closed curve circle, which is a collection of those points on a plane that are as a constant distance from a fixed point. A line and a circle. Consider a circle O and a line PQ. The three possibilities are given in a figure below. In figure 1, the line PQ and the circle have no common point. In this case, PQ is a non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. In figure 2, the line PQ intersects the circle at 2 points A and B. It forms a chord on the circle AB with 2 common points. In this case, the line PQ is a secant of the circle. In figure 3, there is only one point A common to the line PQ and the circle. This line is called a tangent to the circle. Tangents of a circle. Theorem. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the points of contact. Given a circle with center O and a tangent xy to the circle at a point P. To prove OP is perpendicular to xy. That is, OP is perpendicular to xy. Proof. Here, we will use the method that assumes that the statement is wrong and shows that such an assumption leads to a fallacy. So, we will suppose OP is not perpendicular to xy. Take a point Q on xy other than P and join OQ. Proof. The point Q must lie outside the circle. Therefore, OQ is longer than the radius OP is the circle, that is, OQ is greater than OP. This must happen for all points on the line xy. It is therefore true that OP is the shortest of all the distances of the point O to the points of xy. So, our assumption that OP is not perpendicular to xy is false. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to xy, hence proved. Note: the line containing the radius through the point of a contact is also called the normal to the circle at the point. If a line in the plane of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at its end point on the circle, then the line is tangent to the circle. Construction of tangent to a circle. Construction: construct a tangent to a circle at a given point when the center of the circle is known. We have a circle with center O and a point P anywhere on its circumference. Then we have to construct a tangent through P. Steps of construction. Number 1. Draw a circle with center O and mark a point P anywhere on it. Join OP. Number 2. Draw a perpendicular line through the point P and name it as XY. Number 3. XY is the required tangent to the given circle passing through P. Finding the length of the tangent. Example: find the length of the tangent to the circle with center O and radius is equal to 6 cm from a point P such that OP is equal to 10 cm. Solution: tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Here, PA is tangent segment and OA is radius of circle. Therefore, OA is perpendicular to PA is equal to angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in triangle OAP, OP square is equal to OA square plus PA square. Pythagoras theorem: 10 square is equal to 6 square plus PA square is equal to 100 is equal to 36 plus PA square. PA square is equal to 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. PA is equal to square root of 64 is equal to 8 centimeters. Number of tangent to a circle from any point. Theorem: the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Given a circle with center O, P is a point lying outside the circle and PA and PB are two tangents to the circle from P. To prove, PA is equal to PB. Proof: join OA, OB and OP. Angle OAP is equal to angle OBP 90 degrees. Angle between radial and tangents. Now, in the two right triangles, triangle OAP and triangle OBP, OA is equal to OB, radii of same circle. OP is equal to OP, common. Number of tangent to a circle from any point. Theorem: the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Proof: therefore, by RHS congruency axiom, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. This gives PA is equal to PB, CPCT, hence proved. Construction of tangents to a circle from an external point. Construction. To construct the tangents to a circle from a point outside it. Given, we are given a circle with center O and a point P outside it. We have to construct two tangents from P to the circle. Steps of construction. Number 1. Join PO and draw a perpendicular bisector of it. Let M be the midpoint of PO. Number 2. Taking M as center and PM or MO as radius. Draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at the points A and B. Number 3. Join PA and PB. Then PA and PB are the required two tangents. Statement. The center of a circle lies on a bisector of the angle between two tangents drawn from a point outside it. Proof. Let PQ and PR be two tangents drawn from a point P outside of the circle with center O. Join OQ and OR. Triangles OQP and ORP are congruent because we know that angle OQP is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 degrees. OQ is equal to OR radii. OP is common. This means angle OPQ is equal to angle OPR CPCT. Therefore, OP is the angle bisector of angle QPR. Hence, the center lies on the bisector of the angle between the two tangents. Statement. In two concentric circles such that a chord of a bigger circle that touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact with the smaller circle. Proof. We are given two concentric circles C1 and C2 with center O and the chord AB of the larger circle C1 touching the smaller circle C2 at the point P. We need to prove that AB is equal to PB. Join OP. Then AB is a tangent to the circle C2 at P and OP is its radius. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to AB. Now, triangle OAP and triangle OBP are congruent. This means AP is equal to PB. Therefore, OP is the bisector of the chord AB as the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Statement. If a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at points P, Q or S, then AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. Proof. The circle touched the sides AB, BC, CD and DA of quadrilateral ABCD at the points P, Q, R and S respectively as shown. Since the two tangents to a circle drawn from a point outside it are equal, AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, DR is equal to DS and CR is equal to CQ. On adding, we get AP plus BP plus DR plus CR is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ, or AP plus PB plus CR plus DR is equal to BQ plus QC plus DS plus SA, or AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. Example: draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degrees. Solution: to begin, let us consider a circle with center O and radius 5 cm. Let PA and PB are two tangents drawn from a point P outside the circle and the angle between them is 60 degrees. In this, angle APB is equal to 60 degrees. Join OP. As we know, OP is the bisector of angle APB. Angle OAP is equal to angle OPB is equal to 60 degrees by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. Since triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Now in triangle OAP, sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by H by P is equal to OA by OP. Half is equal to 5 by OP from trigonometric ratio. OP is equal to 10 centimeters. Now we can draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters with center O. We then mark a point at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center of a circle. Join OP and complete the construction. Hence, PA and PB are the required pair of tangents to the given circle. Segment of a circle formed by a secant. When a line meets a circle in only one point, it is a tangent. A secant is a line which intersects the circle at two distinct points represented in the chord. Finding the area of segment of a circle. A segment is a region bounded by the arc and chord. Take a circular shaped paper and fold it along with a chord less than the diameter and shade the smaller part as shown in the figure. It is a minor segment APB. The unshaded portion of the circle is a major segment AQB. The portion of some unshaded part and shaded part minor segment is a sector which is the combination of a triangle and a segment. Let OAPB be a sector of the circle with center O and radius R as shown in the figure. Let the angle measure of AOB Let the angle measure of AOB be x. Area of circle when the angle measure at the center is 360 degrees is pi r square. So, when the degree measure of the angle at the center is 1 degree, then area of sector is 1 by 360 degrees into pi r square. Therefore, when the degree measure of the angle at the center is x degrees, the area of sector is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Now, let us take the case of the area of the segment APB of a circle with center O and radius r. You can see that area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB is equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. Example: find the area of the segment AYB showing in the adjacent figure. If radius of the circle is 21 centimeters and angle AOB is equal to 1200, use pi is equal to 22 by 7 and root 3 is equal to 1.732. Solution: area of the segment AYB is equal to area of sector OAYB minus area of triangle OAB. Now, area of the sector OAYB is equal to 120 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 centimeter square is equal to 462 centimeter square. Equation 1. For finding the area of triangle OAB, draw OM is perpendicular to AB. Note, OA is equal to OB. Therefore, by RHS congruence, triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. So, M is the midpoint of AB and angle AOM is equal to angle BOM is equal to half into 120 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Let OM is equal to x centimeters. So, from triangle OMA, OM by OA is equal to cos 60 degrees or x by 21 is equal to half, since cos 60 degrees is equal to half, or x is equal to 21 by 2 centimeters. Also, AM by OA is equal to sin 60 degrees. AM by 21 is equal to root 3 by 2, since sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So, AM is equal to 21 root 3 by 2 centimeters. Therefore, AB is equal to 2AM is equal to 2 into 21 root 3 by 2 is equal to 21 root 3 centimeters. So, area of triangle OAB is equal to half into 21 root 3 into 21 by 2 centimeters square is equal to 441 by 4 root 3 centimeters square. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, area of the segment AYB is equal to 462 minus 441 by 4 root 3 centimeter square is equal to 21 by 4 into 88 minus 21 root 3 centimeter square is equal to 271.047 centimeter square.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.